welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm going to be doing everything fun to school. This, I did some Taylor twice with me. Like you did that without listening. So, let's get started. This line back. Can I just play with it for the test? Please? This is really good. Ooh. Yeah, sure. Fine, yeah, sure. Yay. After the test. There's your slime back. Thanks. You got this in there. What did you add? I told you not to ruin it. I'm never letting you play with my slime ever again, Sarah. Okay. Vanessa? What is that? Oh, it's Sarah's. Sarah, that would be detention. Let me see that. The next day. What is that stare for? What was that stare for? Seriously. It was not nice. told on me yesterday. So, well, I didn't want to get the blame, and last time I had to take the blame for you again. So, Vanessa, what is that? It's Sarah's. No, it isn't. Fine, it's me. Well, I'm gonna take this, and Vanessa, that's a call home. What? What? Well, give me this. I'm not taking any slime ever again. Ooh. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Some of the parts I had trouble with. I don't know. I just tried to make it be funny. I don't know.